Oh my God.
Hi.
This is my best friend, Madison! We reunited after how many years?
I don't know. How many years has it been? I haven't seen you since 6 years?
I had to have seen you more.
Yeah, I feel like we did.
Yeah.
Well,
I just can't remember when.
she's coming to help me fix my life.
I am here at his residence and I'm about to help him fix his life.
There's nobody here. Look at how we are. Don't you think we are so perfect, pair in every way? I don't wanna feel everything that was meant to be faded. I don't wanna be your friend. I just wanna be your babe. I don't wanna fade away. So can't help but thinking until done. Yeah, 네 눈엔 내가 있어. 아마 난 널 사랑하고 있어. 귀가 아는 순간 두려워. 약간 영원할 수 없는 걸. 사랑한 마음이 애틋해져.
Basically, we are like purging process. We are probably about, I'd say about 45% done. Don't feel defeated.
We are in the business of decluttering. We're in the business of sorting and creating a system in which it's going to be beneficial and advantageous of me here in the future. Your space is a real precursor of your mental state. So when your space is cluttered, then your mind is cluttered. So space is cluttered, then your mind is cluttered. So once you have that thing organized, maybe you can organize other things in your life.
Yeah.
Huh. What's the face I'm giving?
The skinny nose.
Am I giving it home?
I don't know how you do that. How do you suck your nostrils in?
Well, we're gonna get back to it. I was zoning out because I'm ready to get back into it. Very back again. Anyways, and that is our cut. We're going to remove.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away.
Molly Vlog Squad, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you are new here, hello, welcome to the Molly Vlog Squad. I hope you decide to stick around, and you can do that by clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell, and make sure you hit a like on this video to help your girl with the YouTube algorithm. Also, I noticed in my analytics that you all really seem to enjoy organization content on this channel. So that's what I'm doing. I am reviewing my analytics and I'm trying to see what you all want to see. So this content is based off of the feedback that I got on previous organization videos. So I am here with my best friend that I haven't seen since 2019, and he hired me, the expert, the professional, the home organizer guru, to come in and help him out with his closet. His closet is nice and big and spacious, but it just lacked efficiency and functionality because everything was just kind of placed all over the place, as you can see. So that is when your girl comes in with her 3 steps: empty the space out, sort, purge, donate, keep, create those piles, and you're going to do this step simultaneously. I do this with the client because then I don't accidentally go into a space that you hire me to organize and throw something out. I would not be happy if someone did that to me, and that is not the goal of a home organizer. And home organizer is there to just hold you accountable and give you recommendations and help you visualize the best way to utilize a space that you have. And if you need to go and purchase additional products to make your life easier, then that's something that we can discuss as well. I also include that in the service. I will send you a list of recommendations after the consultation so I can see what the best way is, because who wants to be fighting with clothes and just stuff? We have to steward our stuff the best way that we can. So with that being said, I want to know down in the comments if you would hire a home organizer to come and help you with your space. There is nothing wrong with that. There's no shame in it. I have seen and had clients with various amounts of items crammed and very small and just spaces that are not functional. And I struggle with this myself. But anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about hiring a home organizer. And I will chat back in with you all in a bit.
But kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like
After our break with that delicious air fryer salmon, oh my goodness, y'all have to try that. Oh, it was so good. He put it over the Caesar salad, as you saw. Excellent combination. After that, we finished and emptied the closet out, and you can see here we have the 3 piles, and then he started to take stuff out that needed to be purged, so that was helpful. The closet was cleaned out off camera, so that was swept and dusted out and all that stuff. And then the folding process started. So with the folding, I like to do the hamburger fold. I showed this in my laundry video, but basically if you have a collared shirt, you would put the sleeves in, lay it flat first, fold the sleeves center, right? If it's long sleeve or short sleeve, you fold it inward. Then you're gonna put and fold the collar down to the middle halfway on the shirt, and then you're gonna fold the tail of the shirt, the end of the shirt, halfway, and then you're going to collapse both of those pieces together, and then you're going to do like a vertical fold, and that's a hamburger fold basically. That may have been confusing, but this is everything that it was taken out. The Christmas tree ended up going back in the closet, but in the corner, so you couldn't really see it. And like I said, I put his organizational materials back in, and I just kept everything there. And I was under the weather during this whole thing, and you guys, this took me 8 hours. This was an 8-hour job. We did take breaks, but yeah, it takes a long time if you do it the correct way. So at least now it's set up so all he has to do is literally maintain it and add the organizational materials that I recommended to really just make it super functional. And that's it. So it's like, it's done. You know, the template is there. He can tweak it or however he wants, whatever. But yeah. These are the organizational materials that I recommended. I put them on the screen for you all to see. This stuff can be found at Walmart, Amazon, etc. And I will have a couple links down in the description box below. Make sure you all are checking that on every video. I'll have my shirts, my mugs down linked in the description box below. And if you use my links, then I receive a small commission on them. So that's extremely helpful with the production of this channel. So now what I'm doing is showing you all I was teaching my friend how to hang up his pants, this new way that I saw discovered on Instagram, and it really does keep your clothes much nicer. It extends the longevity of them, so I recommend hanging pants using this method here. For that part, and as far up on the neck of the hanger as you can, and then cross that way, and then cross that way. And there you go. Pant.
They do look stupid, I will say that, but it's an effective way to hang plants.
It is. It's very neat.
Then I worked with what I had, and yeah, I'm happy.
She scuffed my Balenciagas.
He's going on. Y'all, on top of seeing one of my best friends, my other best friend showed up, and she ended up hanging out with us, and it was such a blast. We haven't seen each other in years. Make sure you all check out her Etsy shop and support what she's doing over there. She's a veteran and psychologist, so make sure you go and check out her Etsy shop. This is some before and after shots, and I just want to thank you all so much for being here and hanging out with me on this channel. Thank you for your support and patience as I put this content together. And if you are interested in an organization consult, you can send me an email. I'll have it in the description box below. And let me know in the comments if after seeing this video, you would hire a home organizer for your organizational job. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.